Hey guys, so today I'm going to be trying to do the no coin challenge. So please rate me in the comments out of 10. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh shit, I already messed up. Oh. Okay, let's try again. So I'm going to have one more try, but then I'm going to end it. Okay, pretty good one out so far. Oh shit. And if Nox see this, the guy who's really good at Subway Surfers, Nox, can you please comment? You're like my favorite Subway Surfers person ever. Let's see, follow you. Yeah. And just if you see this, please comment Nox. But if you don't, that's okay. But I am like your biggest fan. I'm not joking. You're literally the one who inspired me to play Subway Surfers. Okay, and nearly done with this is when I die. So yeah, if Nox sees this, then please comment. I know I'm not so big at the moment, but if Nox does see this somehow, that TikTok guy, then I will be very happy. Ooh, that was pretty cool. Wait, I'm going to try to do one of those roof jumps. Okay, bye.